All right, back in business here. All right, so we got closer. Now, come in from the other side, from the right-hand side. Just make all those positives. 0.1, 0.01, 0.001. And I think what I'll do is I'll have Mathematica help me again. I'm going to use, I should probably have made that bigger so you can see it a little better. It was 9 raised to the x minus 5 raised to the x over x, right? And I'm replacing x with 0.1, it's 0.48. Negative 0.1 gives you 0.48, 0.49. Negative 0.01, 0.057. Negative 0.001 gives you negative, I'm sorry, 0.586. I'm going to go even closer. 0.587. 0.587. Looks like I'm hanging pretty close to 0.587. Look, do you see how close I'm getting? I keep on adding zeros. And the only thing that's changing, it's starting to change out here, right? But the 0.587 looks pretty locked in. Y'all see what I'm saying? Now, if I change this to positive, I'm coming in from the other side, I'm going to be really close already, right? So if I do that, I wonder what it's going to be. Same result, 0.587. Looks like it's doing that from both sides. I'll take all those out so you can see. From the right side, 0.1, you got 0.71. And then we got a little closer, 0.599. And then a little closer, 0.588. Then a little closer, 0.587. So it looks like there I finally have gotten close enough to be content. So what are these approaching? It was 0.587, right? And then these were approaching 0.587 also. So it appears that the answer would be somewhere around 0.587? Yes? Any questions on what I did? You would have to at home like actually calculate these, right? Using your calculator. Well, the problem here, you want to try and pick up a pattern. So here we were able to establish after about 3 or 4 of these that it looked like it was getting closer to 0.58 something. And on your homework, you want to do the same. Just try and establish some sort of pattern from each direction. I wouldn't put more than like 4 in, though. All right. Okay, so our answer here, for us, we think it's approximately 0.587. Is that what it was? Now, we think this. Look, trust me. This is calculus. We will not be making tables, all right? This is all just to get you to understand the idea, the limit we're letting things approach from both directions. We're really letting these values getting closer and closer without actually getting there. And then what we'll do is we'll start using the difference quotient. We'll start using other techniques to get this answer. I wanted to let everyone know I have a colleague of mine who does every Friday. She does a Calculus 1 review session for what was covered that week, and so she's like this Friday she'll be giving a session. I think it's from 10 to 12 or something like that. That any calculus student can go sit in on, and she just goes over like problems that she's already made. Anyway, I'm doing that session for her this Friday from 10 to 12. And it's in our office. It's in JH111A. So if you go down to that office, we'll be in there. I'll be in there from 10 to 12 or 1. I don't remember. And I'll be going through a fixed review of problems that she wants me to cover. Now, it's open to everyone, but here's the little catch to it. Her class is a Tuesday, Thursday class. So they didn't have the holiday Monday. So they are actually going to cover 1.3, what I just covered, and 1.4 this week. And so on Friday, I'll be reviewing 1.3 and 1.4. So if you were to show up, half of it would be stuff you haven't seen. So just FYI. I just want to make sure you were all at least invited to that. You're welcome to show up. Let's pass the attendance sheet around. Where did I start last time? Over there? Doesn't matter, right? We'll get around. I said 2 more examples. I think I'm happy with that. I think we've covered enough from this section. Your homework. Your homework is actually the homework on the schedule. You know, the schedule has the homework listed out. All that is good to go. All right? So you just do those problems and you'll be good. While the attendance sheet's going around, are there any other issues that you would like for me to address right now? Anything that you'd like to talk about? Yes, I'll drop. The more we have, the more I drop. So at least 2 will go away. All right, if the attendance sheet has gone by, you've signed it, I have nothing else, you're free to go. What is that? Yeah, I'll look that up right now, just because I want to open that up for you. Yeah, if I hand it back, quiz says see me, please see me. Really? Okay. You were able to